AMETEK Ameron is a global provider of both OEM and MRO services in the aviation and aerospace industries. With 3 highly regarded locations offering unmatched support and customization, the AMETEK Ameron Group can satisfy the safety equipment needs of our customers with specialty engineering and significant cost savings.
We are known for customization. That's what we do best. You come to us with a problem, we'll come to you with a customized solution.
We don't have off-the-shelf items, which we can just buy anywhere from different vendors. We gather information from the customer and pretty much we customize to what the customer wants and needs for their platform.
You get to know them, you get to really understand what their needs are. That's how we stock up product, overhaul product for them. But customers is, for us, is number one.
AMETEK Ameron prides itself by offering our customers a wide variety of OEM products including pressurized gas systems, fire extinguishers, and pneumatic stored energy systems for gear blowdown, door actuation, missile guidance, and associated subcomponents. In addition, our MRO capabilities include the repair, maintenance, and overhaul services for fire extinguishers, oxygen tanks, and oxygen crew masks with excellent turnaround times. AMETEK Ameron maintains a large inventory of piece parts and end item assemblies at our warehouse in the greater Los Angeles area, with same-day shipment available.
We have several salespeople on the floor that are responsive all day long, 24 hours a day. If a customer needs a part, we'll be there to deliver that part.
Quality, very important, because customers could get a product, but you don't have any quality inside that program, they can't use it.
You have the responsibility to make sure that an aircraft that carries hundreds and hundreds of people is safe. So we take our job very seriously. We put pride in what we do.